You will not see this in India. She is so happy.
I want to be on TV.
Now this is what Amazon. So you can see all that Mickey and huge TVs, LCDs. This I have only seen on TV all my life, and today I'm here, guys. This is like one of the dream come true for me, being in a Times Square. 21 forever. Frozen ad is going on. Final performance August. There's a new building coming up. There's a construction work is going on, and this is the moment, guys. This is the Times Square. You can see some Disney characters roaming around. I have to take a picture with them. See, this is a Disney character.
Hey, give me money. Why you watch my car? Go to the picture. Stop.
Tips?
Money. Yes.
Yeah.
I go to that picture, but you call me, right? Take a
No,
picture.
no, that's fine. That's
Okay, what's good again?
this
Picture?
yeah, no, that's fine. So guys, if you want to take a picture with them, you need to tip them. I mean, maybe $1 or something. But I've already taken so many pictures, so I really don't want them for a picture. So if I really want to take a picture, I can do it free of cost. Characters, these are the Disney characters you can see, and they get. I mean, if you come to New York and if you find the people little rude, don't be surprised. People are little. I mean, not rude as in sense they don't have time for anyone. And I'll show you one more beautiful thing. And Times Square. I am in a Times Square now. So there was a picture also, a movie back there. I think it was made by Devanand, something like that. So these are the giant screens of Times Square. You can see. Look at the screen, it's so huge. Dazzling, Broadway, One Wish at the time, Aladdin. It's like I'm in a future now.
Looking at you, people, yo, I know you live this good.
I wish somebody can take my picture. I can always take a selfie. Okay, now there are some restaurants. I'll show you what. Not even restaurant. I mean small. What do you say? Boxes, counters. So Seaborg, nachos, hot dogs, and let me sit on that Times Square, Father Fetty Square, Duffy Square. Okay, just need to wait.
Alright, thanks.
So this is what Times Square is all about. People come and they sit over here. That's it. And there are so many shops around. And there's a new building coming up, construction. And always US is known for a gaming on this screen, a giant screen. I can see a lot of games playing by. I'll sit here and I'll take a picture. Okay. Oh Lord. Oh, that's beautiful. Finally, after so many years, Times Square. Well guys, behind me you can see that is a Times Square. I'm on the stairs of the Times Square. So this is the stair where people come and they just sit. There are, in the world there are places when you don't do anything. This is just the common thing you do. You come and sit and it become famous. This is that place. This just the stairs. People sit and it is and it is famous because of these screens also. You can see all the way, and everywhere you can see so many giant screens. There are people who's taking videos, you can see that, and you can see legendary, Leonardo DiCaprio, all that, and a huge screen. Now you can see this screen is really huge, and this screen is used for advertisement and all. And believe me, I have only seen this much people in India, nowhere else, especially Mumbai. Otherwise, everywhere I go, and there is like very few people, but this is full of people. So I can say this is one of the major city which I am covering right now, and I can show you everything, guys. I wish whoever seen this video and whoever liking this video will get a chance in a life to come to Times Square and watch all this which what I am seeing right now. So Times Square, there's a building straight ahead, you can see. So I don't know this person, but they are taking an interview of this person. So if you know, please write it in a comment box, whether he's in music star or something, because the news is taken by MTV. There are cameras over here, and you can see all people sitting here. So it's good. It is good. It is nice. So what I'll do, I'll look for that Indian restaurant. I can see a Disney restaurant, Disney shop over there. I can go there and check what exactly is that Disney shop all about. And that's it. Hope I can see an Apple shop. I really want to see an Apple shop. I've been to so many of US states and cities, but I've never seen an Apple shop yet. Never got a chance, I would say. So I'll ask someone whether we have an Apple shop over here. If we have it, I will go and surely show it to you. Okay guys, I feel sorry, I want to explore more, but I have a very limited time, so I cannot explore much. I want to show you how a New Yorker lives. Look at that. Now you'll not see this in India. She is so happy.
I want to be on TV.
Now this, I will never do this. This is innovation. Okay, now I'm going a little more inside Times Square. You get magnet shops and everything over here. I want to go and check it out if I can get a magnet over here. We get Obama's and Donald Trump, Statue of Liberty. Oh, it's $5. I love keychain for $2. I love New York. I love New York. I just want one magnet, that's it. I want all these because I collect magnets. It's a golden plate. Sorry. I don't think so. They have a magnets. No, actually, we can make magnets. Just need to stick magnet behind it. Like this, New York, a big apple. How much for this? $5 it is. This is expensive. Let me check some other store. The thing will be a little cheaper. Okay, now, oh, sorry. So I will go ahead and I will look for an Apple store.